In this video I will show you how to simulate keyboard in Notepad. This makes it impossible to use the computer. Just look, every second it will be automatically write my channel name everywhere where user starts typing text. But how it works? In VBS we have something like Sendkeys method. And this method will be automatically writing anything that you want. If we put this into loop, it will be work forever. And of course, this could be created in Notepad. Let's run it. Now user is unable to enter any data to the system. You want to find solution in Google? Good luck! Maybe start CMD? It's almost impossible. Even if you started, what do you want to do? Write message to describe your problem? I don't think so. You're unable to enter any data into your system. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and always pay attention to file extension.